Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be in short explaining what penalties are and how you can defend against them in what is it? EA's FC Mobile 24. Excuse me for slurring my speech a bit. I'm really tired. But yeah, without further ado, let's get right into it. As you can see, I pulled up a screenshot of what a penalty looks like, since I can't get a penalty to occur in any game. So without further ado, let me explain through this screenshot. I hope you don't mind. I will do my best. And yeah, as you can see, this player in this screenshot is controlling the goalkeeper, and the way you control him is by using the thumbstick or the touchpad in the bottom left, the circle thing that you can see, and with this you move your goalkeeper, and whichever side you move him to, that's the side he will defend. I think jumping is automatic, or you might have to actually hold down the touchpad when the player actually shoots to jump. However, that is pretty much it. You just need to predict where the player is going to shoot. It's pretty similar to FIFA. I mean, this is pretty much a mobile version of FIFA, so if you play that, the process is pretty much the same. One trick that you can use to actually defend and save against a penalty is to actually pay attention to where the player character is looking, the one that is actually shooting the ball, because 9 times out of 10 they will be shooting in that spot. So if they're looking left, try and defend left. If they're looking right, try and defend right. And yeah, penalties occur whenever there is a foul around the goal. So make sure that you don't do fouls within the perimeter of the goal, and you should be fine, and you won't be in this situation at all. But yeah, that is pretty much it from me. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in another video.